So, I have a question, and that is why do I get more acne in California than I do in Japan? It's something that's quite mysterious to me, and I'm going to try my best to come up with some theories, but let me know down below why you guys think that. So, I'm going to back up, but I mean, I don't have like terrible acne right now. Ever since Accutane, it's really, helped me out. But occasionally I get like a pimple or something, and I have definitely gotten some since I got back from Japan. I don't know if you can tell through the camera right now, but yeah, now I'm gonna back up a little bit. But when I was in Japan for about 3 months this year, I did not get acne at all, like zero, which was very surprising to me because that was kind of a long period of time. I mean, last year in Japan as well, I didn't really get much at all, but I got like maybe one or two perhaps in the 6 months that I was in Japan last year. And this this time around, I got zero. So I'm like, that's so interesting. And then I thought maybe it's just my biological age maybe that's affecting it because eventually you're supposedly supposed to get less acne as you grow older. So I thought that was the reason. But when I came back to California, literally the first week, I ended up getting like a noticeable pimple, like literally the first week. And that was a pattern I saw as well last year when I came back. So it's not just like a one instance type of thing. It's happened at least two or three times now. So I know that's not much data to go off of, but it's definitely to me pretty noticeable. And I'm just wondering why is that the case? Like, what is it about Japan that's like different about California? So, and I want to look at this as realistically as possible. I want to look at real differences. So I think number one, I think humidity and dryness is an obvious one. California is quite dry, and Japan is just, there's more wetness in the air in general. So that's a big one, I think, actually, because if the air is helping you with the moisture in your face, you're less likely to get acne, I believe. That's what a lot of people have told me back then, and it seems to be the case considering, me being there, I don't get as much acne or at all. So that's one big one. Another one is perhaps there's something in this house that I'm not like I clean this house very often and I dust and all that stuff too. So I don't think it's that, but there could potentially be bacteria in this house or near my bed or whatever that doesn't exist in Japan. Like the the bacteria is just different. That's another theory that could possibly be true. I don't feel like it's too far of a stretch to say that, but I feel like case one is probably more important, or the factor number one that I mentioned, which was the dryness and wetness of the air. So that's another big one. And I think that's it. Honestly, I think food is another one. So the way food is made and all that stuff, that could also potentially affect like acne, but I don't know how much that's true. I feel like I've heard varying things from like physicians assistants and doctors that I've talked to. Like they don't know how much the science actually backs up like what you eat gives you more or less acne. But I feel like it could be true. Obviously, if you eat like a lot of junk food, I think in general that's bad for your body, and that's gonna have some consequence to your body. If it's not acne, it's probably something else. Maybe it's different for everyone. But I do think the food in Japan, for me personally, I just love Japanese food. I I think it's like slightly cleaner as well, less grease, I suppose. So that could play a factor, but I don't think that me coming back and eating the food here for a week and then getting acne, I don't think that was the reason. I think that's too fast. And yeah, I just don't think that's the thing. So my theory is basically just the air is different. The air is simply different and it's more humid there. So I guess I get less acne while I'm in Japan, or none at all somehow this time around. But still, it's not terrible. Again, I'll just go to the camera and show my face. It's not terrible right now. I think that it's been in far worse states in the past. So it's not, yeah, it's just something I noticed that I wanted to talk about because if you're in a place that's really dry, perhaps that could be why you're getting more acne. But let me know down below in the comments what you think. I'm not an expert in this whatsoever. I mean, maybe I should ask like a dermatologist about it, but or look it up online. But either way, this is just my personal experience. Wanted to add to the data pool, I suppose. If you enjoy the video, consider giving it a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.